What's up, world? Salute. All right, guys. This is day 4 of my project. And yes, this is the last video they got to do with my home project. What was my home project? My home project was painting my home office. All right, and this is it. This is the outcome. This is the result of what I did. Okay, it took me a few days. All right, I did it all on my own. Again, I'm not a professional. Now, I'm not a professional, but I got talent. Okay, I'm gonna show off. I'm showing off about it. Yes, I got talent. I did this way back in the 80s when I was a teenager. This is what I did for a living. Painting. Okay? Remember, I said it in my first video. I think it was my second video of day 2. Everybody that lives in New York ain't rich. I wasn't rich. You know, I had to do what I had to do to get things going. All right? I was a teenager. I wanted some money, so I used to paint. This is what we did. I said in my third video, me and my dad, we used to go to Brighton Beach down in Coney Island to paint. All right? We used to help our friends. They were supers, and we used to go there and help them. I was a little kid, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And this is the outcome of my project. This is what I did. All right? So anybody can do this, I was going to say ain't no science behind this, but yes, there is. You got to be neat. You know what I'm saying? You got to be clean. You got to wipe behind yourself. If you drip, some paint drip on the floor, you got to clean it up. So yeah, oh yeah, I know you hear that background noise. Okay, yeah, that's Lovers the Message, people. MFSB from the 70s. I'm old school, okay? Don't hate me, but it's just what it is, all right? So this is it, people. These are my diplomas. I mean, people, you don't want to talk about the bad things about yourself. Everybody's got a history. You do not want to talk about the bad things about yourself. You want to talk about the good things. And these are the good things I've done in my life. These are my diplomas, all right? These are just some things I collect I wanted to put on the walls. All right, these are books that I read, okay? That's my hobby, reading. All right, guys, so that's it, people. Again, salute, peace. See you on the next videos, all right? I love you, world.